Today, I'm diving into Pacific Specialty Insurance and giving you a full walkthrough of their website and services based on my personal user experience. When you first land on the homepage, the design is fairly simple, but it may come across as outdated compared to many modern insurance platforms. Navigation is straightforward, with clear categories for auto, home, renters, motorcycle, and watercraft insurance. What stands out is their emphasis on offering specialty coverage, which means they focus on insuring items and situations that bigger providers sometimes overlook. As I move through the site, getting quotes is possible, but the process is not the most intuitive. Unlike larger competitors who provide instant quotes, Pacific Specialty requires more detailed personal information up front, and in some cases, you may need to wait for an agent to follow up instead of seeing your rates immediately. This can be frustrating for users who want quick answers. However, on the positive side, it allows them to tailor coverage more specifically, which can be a benefit if you have unique needs. The policy descriptions are clear but somewhat limited. For example, in their homeowners insurance section, they highlight standard protection but don't go into deep detail about exclusions. You have to dig into PDFs and fine print to get a full picture. For a new customer, this could feel like extra work. When I check the renter's insurance offering, the pricing is competitive and the coverage appears reasonable. Still, compared to larger providers, the options for customization seem fewer. The motorcycle and watercraft insurance sections are appealing if you own these vehicles, since not every provider covers them well, but again, details are not as thoroughly explained online. Customer support is a mixed experience. They provide a phone number and an agent locator tool, but there is no live chat, and response time depends heavily on the local agent you connect with. For some users, that personal touch is a strength, while others may prefer faster, digital-first service. Many useful links you can find in the description. One aspect that deserves attention is the claims process. The website provides a claims center, but it directs you to call or work with an agent rather than handling everything online. That means if you prefer fully digital claims handling, this might feel old-fashioned. On the other hand, if you value speaking to a real person, you might appreciate their approach. The website's performance is generally smooth, but visually it feels dated. It doesn't have the sleek, modern feel of other major insurance websites, and this could impact user trust at first glance. Despite this, it is functional and does allow you to access most of the key information you need. Overall, my honest impression is that Pacific Specialty Insurance offers solid coverage options, particularly for people with specific or unusual needs like motorcycles, mobile homes, or specialty vehicles. However, the user experience could be improved with a more modern website design, more transparency in coverage details, and faster digital processes. If you are looking for something highly customized and don't mind a slightly slower experience, Pacific Specialty might be a good fit. If you want instant quotes and fully digital claims handling, you may find it lacking. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.